Hey guys! Alright, so we did finish Module 5 last week, and before we just jump into the assessment, just because, a little bit of formatting differences, let's have ourselves a good old review. It's going to be real quick. We're just going to be readdressing and looking at the different types of questions we've been answering during Module 5. Yeah? Okay, so here we see we have shapes. The question is it equal, yes or no? Are these equal? Yes. Are these equal pieces? No, if my sister gave me that and she had that, we'd have a problem. What about this rhombus? Is this in equal pieces? It is 4 equal pieces to be exact. What about this rectangle? Is this in equal pieces? It is in 4 equal pieces. How about this circle? Equal piece brigade. What about this circle? Absolutely not. These 3 pieces are not the same. If I continue this line across, then it would be 4 equal pieces. But as it stands right now, those are not equal pieces. Good job. All right. So the next thing we did some time. Which of these clocks shows 12:30? 12:30. 1, 2, or 3. Well, let's see. If it's 12:30, that means it is half past the hour, meaning the minute hand should be on the 6. So that rules this one out. This can't be 12:30. Is this 12:30 or is this 12:30? This is 12:30. That is 6 o'clock. Because notice the hands are pointing both hands are pointing directly on a number, and this actually is the thicker, shorter hour hand, and that is the longer, thinner minute hand. If it is halfway past the hour, the hour hand should also be halfway between the hour number. Good. What about these two? Is this shape divided into fourths or halves? Halves. Those are 2 equal pieces. It's halves. What about this one? Is this fourths or halves? That is fourths. And remember, what number do you hear in the word fourths? Correct. You hear the number 4. Excellent. And what is our other word for fourths? We can also, instead of fourths, we can also call it what? Quarters. We can also call it quarters. Excellent. Good job. Good job. Let's see if we got a little bit more. All right. This one's tricky. Select the rectangle. Is it purple, red, green, or none of the above? Which one is technically a rectangle? Ding, 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 ding. And I know I got some of you. I'm like, but no, that's a square. But isn't a square a special type of rectangle? Doesn't it have 4 sides and 4 square corners? So it has 4 straight sides and 4 square corners, making it a rectangle. This is a special rectangle called a square because all 4 sides are the same. So a square, again, is technically a rectangle. And speaking on squares, which of these shapes, if I put them together, would I be able to make a square? Could I combine to make a square? Okay, well, we can definitely rule out the trapezoids. Those will not make a square. They'll make a hexagon. That's about it. They'll make a sort of different versions of hexagons. But which pair of triangles can be used to make a square? The second pair, because these are what's called right triangles. So they already have right angles on one side, being perfect square angles on one side. So if I flip this one and I put them together, we will get a square, which is a special rectangle. All right, guys. I told you it was a short review because this was a short module. And I just wanted to make sure that all the little bits and pieces and some of the ones that we did like before spring break are just fresh and ready in our brains. Was it before spring break? It wasn't before spring break, but the ones we did a couple weeks ago are fresh freshen our brains. And guys, for real, let me know if you have any questions, because a lot of your test format is going to be about matching, and it's going to be choosing the right one, because I know sometimes writing o'clock is a little bit difficult, as well as pushing the two buttons you have to push to make the colon pop up. You gotta hit shift and then the semicolon colon button. That's doing too much. I'm barely asking you to type. Like, I'm not gonna ask you to shift and alter and function and command, and no, that's doing too much. But guys, for real, if you have any questions and you need any additional support, let me know. I cannot wait to see this review that you turn in, so I know how to better help you as you prepare for your test tomorrow. So until later.